Hi ARIix family. I'm Tom Jackson, Executive Director of Product Development. And today I want to talk about this wonderful new Puritii bottle and filter. And hopefully there are a lot of you who have your hands on this already and are loving it as much as I do. Today I wanted to just go over a really quick tip and something that you're going to notice as you first unbox and assemble this product. Most of these filters have to be purged when you first buy them. And the Puritii filter is no different. One of the things, if you look at the Puritii filter, is that it has a core in the middle, a solid core of zeolite and activated carbon. And what happens when you put those materials together is oftentimes you get a very fine dust that's left over. And this is what will actually come up through the straw the first time that you use the product. So if we put this together, and you can discard the little red cap. As you put your Puritii filter and bottle together and fill it, just fill the bottle up to the fill line. You'll see that little mark up there with the 3 water drops. You may notice that the first time you drink through here, you'll see a little bit of that fine dust coming up through the straw. Now again, this is very normal. Any of you who have purchased filters before are used to seeing this charcoal come through. You're used to seeing that have to work its way out. Again, it's just the dust that's left behind as you fill this core of charcoal and zeolite. And so as you drink this, and you may notice, again, just a little bit of that discoloration coming up. It is perfectly safe, it's beneficial. In fact, you can actually look at it as getting a free mouthful of Restorix, because that's basically the same components that we use in the Restorix, zeolite and carbon. That is just one of the tips and tricks with the new Puritii bottle and filter. We really hope you love this as much as we do. We're proud to have this on the market now, and go enjoy pure, clean, high quality water. Thanks.